Budokai here, chiming in, and I want to go over my Nabalis treasure chest thus far. And we have here the regular Volt, little Hirsch, badass. On the right here we have the Impulse Trainer, beat to shit. Right? And what do we got in the box? What's behind box number 1? Oh yeah, the Hydra Brothers. Good lookers. Look at those guys. They're so shiny, I can't get this thing to focus. Yeah, son of a gun, son of a bitch, getting paid, getting red. Oh yeah, but here we go. One of my beauties. Definitely like these. And the Bowie and the Tonka flip different. The Bowie is definitely handled by us, but with the ultimate lightness of both of these, it really doesn't matter. Yep. Very nice. Alright, people. Keep it moving. Have a blessed night. It's better than smoking cigars. That's for damn sure.